how to change your number on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your number on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it, and after you click on it, here you will see settings, and then click account, and here you will find change number. If you want to change it, just click on this one here and then click next, this one, and after you click on it you can change your number. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.